In Surrey, metal roofing offers numerous advantages that go beyond durability and compliance. One of the key benefits is its energy efficiency. Metal roofs reflect solar radiant heat, which can reduce cooling costs by 10–25%. This reflective property helps maintain a cooler interior environment during hot summer months, contributing to lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Furthermore, metal roofing is an environmentally friendly choice. Most metal roofing materials are made from recycled content and are fully recyclable at the end of their lifespan. This sustainability aspect aligns with the growing demand for green building solutions, making metal roofing an eco-conscious choice for property owners. Unlike traditional asphalt shingles, metal roofs are resistant to severe weather conditions, including high winds, heavy rain, and snow. Additionally, metal roofs are non-combustible, providing an extra layer of protection against fires.